Is this the right place? Decide on the dress given by Sekar. This is the right place, but where is Sekar? Why cannot she see it?
Where the graceful one? Why is it taking us so long?
Just call Sekar instead of getting lost. Hello, Assalamualaikum Sekar, where are you?
I'm in the park. Where are you?
I've arrived at the place, but I don't see you anywhere.
Oh my god, where are you now?
I've arrived near the playground.
But as far as I know, there is no playground in this park. I think you're in the wrong park.
Is that true? So, what should I do?
Oh, that's the park next to it. You just go straight from the tree.
Yes, where else do you go?
Meet a tree.
Yes, there are trees.
Well, you from left.
Yes, where else do you go?
Strike again until the bridge.
Yes, where else do you go?
From the beach, just go straight until you find a red light.
Oh yes, I've seen you, Sekar.
A few moments later.
Bloopers.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Anggun Amayapuri with name 64240299. Today I will present the present perfect tense. Reason why present perfect tense is important in English, because it is used to tell about experience or event that have already happened, without having to mention the X time. By mentioning the present perfect, we can more easily talk about events that happened in the past and are still related to the present. The first definition of present perfect tense. Present perfect tense, a sentence pattern with a change in a verb form which is used to state or express a past action or event which is still counting until now. Next, there is present perfect tense formula and sentence pattern. Present perfect tense is divided into two. The first present perfect tense nominal sentence. Sentences that do not contain verbs such as adjective, nouns, and adverb. Next, there is a sentence pattern. The first is affirmative, the formula subject plus have or has plus been plus complement. Secondly, there is negative, the formula subject plus have or has plus not plus been plus complement. The third is interrogative, the formula have or has plus subject plus been plus complement plus interrogative. Next, there is example of nominal sentence. Affirmative, you have been a creative writer since 2018. Negative, we have not been hungry. Interrogative, has she been very busy this week? Well, the second part of the present perfect tense is their present perfect tense verbal sentence. In a verbal sentence, after the subject will be followed by a verb, while this tense use the third verb. Next, there is sentence pattern. The first is affirmative, the formula subject plus have or has plus verb 3. Secondly, there is negative, the formula subject plus have or has plus not plus verb 3. The third is interrogative. The formula have or has plus subject plus verb 3 plus interrogative. Next, there are example of verb sentence. Affirmative, I have eaten 3 times a day. Negative, they have not paid their order. Interrogative, have they surprised Cynthia? Next, there is contraction in a present perfect tense. A contraction is a shortened form of two or more words combined by omitting one or more letters and adding an apostrophe. Common example of contraction in English include combining pronouns and verbs such as I am, becoming I am, or you are, becoming your. Contractions are often used in everyday language and are more informal than using full words. Well, there are the same rules for, well, here there are positive and negative form present perfect tense. So for the positive form of the present perfect tense, the first one is there, I have not, that is, I haven't. The second is there, you have not. That is, you haven't. The third is there, we have not. That is, we haven't. The fourth, they have not. That is, they haven't. The fifth, she has not. That is, she hasn't. The sixth, is there, he has not. That is, he hasn't. The seventh, is there, it has not. That is, it hasn't. So let's move on to the negative present perfect tense. The first one is there, I have. That is, I've. The second is there, you have. That is, you've. The third is there, we have. That is, we've. The fourth is there, they have. That is, they've. The fifth is there, she has. That is, she's. And the sixth is there, he has. That is, his. The seventh is there, it has. That is, its. So continue. Here there is a question word formula in the present perfect tense. There are two formula. The first for question about place, process, reason, the formula is QW plus have or has plus been plus as plus verb 3 plus past participle plus O. Well, the second to S, the subject, namely the formula QW plus have or has plus verb 3 plus C. So next there is time information that can be used in the present perfect tense as a complement. The first is there already. The second is there just. The third is there recently. The fourth is there lately. The fifth is there ever. The sixth is there yet. The seventh is there seen plus time information that show the first time and event or activity start. The eighth is there for plus time adverb that show the past to present. So next there is material, function, use, and example of present perfect tense sentence. The first expressing an event that has occurred then during the conversion, there are consequences that are felt. An example of a sentence is, he has been training hard, but now this makes less feel sore. And the second, expressing something that happened at a certain time in the past that is still related to the present. An example of a sentence is, I have been learning English since I was in elementary school. The third, talking about experience but not being specific. An example of a sentence: he has visited several countries in Europe. The fourth, show a change. An example of a sentence is Korea has become one of the most popular courses at the university. The Asia Studies program was established since. Next, the five, studying an achievement or result. An example of a sentence is doctors have cured many COVID-19 patients. The six, expressing activities that have been done but have not been complete to date. An example of a sentence is Clara has not finished his homework yet. The seven, telling about activities that occurred at different time periods. An example of a sentence is she has applied for many job vacancies, but there is not interview call for her. The eight, the action repeat over an successive period of time between the past and present. An example for a sentence is they have eaten at the Chinese restaurant many times. The nine, to express an event or action that has just been complete. Using addition plus just. An example of a sentence is have you just finished your exercise? And the last, telling something that is not important enough or a statement that the answer is unknown. An example of sentence is someone has eaten my pizza. That concludes my video assignment. Hopefully it is useful and easy to understand. Thank you for your attention and opportunity. See you.